форма привода на заднюю ось.
In a striking demonstration of Russian ingenuity in adaptive military engineering, a remarkable new vehicle has appeared on the front lines of the Special Military Operation, SMO. Photos circulating from the theater of operations show the Leningradets Buggy, a rugged, purpose-built tactical machine, already actively operating in the SMO zone. Military observers and analysts worldwide have taken notice, with many expressing surprise at the speed, practicality, and combat-oriented design of this homemade yet highly effective platform. Built on a robust two-axle frame chassis derived from proven Russian heavy trucks, most likely a Kamaz or Ural, the Leningradets combines the legendary off-road prowess of Soviet-era and modern Russian truck platforms with the agility and visibility demanded by today's dynamic battlefield. The chassis delivers exceptional cross-country mobility across mud, broken roads, cratered terrain, and soft ground that would immobilize lighter commercial vehicles. High ground clearance, durable suspension components, and the inherent strength of a truck frame allow the Leningradets to traverse the difficult landscapes of the combat zone with confidence, maintaining mobility even when conventional light vehicles struggle. The vehicle features a spacious open body configuration with seating for 5 fighters. This layout prioritizes rapid embarkation and disembarkation, excellent all-around situational awareness, and the ability for troops to engage threats or exit quickly under fire. In the fast-paced conditions of the SMO, where drones, artillery, and sudden contacts are constant realities, the open design provides a decisive advantage. Soldiers maintain continuous visual contact with their surroundings and can react instantly. The absence of a closed cabin also reduces weight and simplifies field repairs, keeping the vehicle operational longer under austere conditions. Of particular note are the defensive systems mounted on the roof. Smoke grenade launchers enable the crew to create instantaneous visual and infrared screening, breaking the line of sight of enemy observation posts, thermal imagers, and first-person view (FPV) drones. Complementing this is an electronic warfare (EU) suite specifically configured to counter unmanned aerial systems. In an era when drones dominate many aspects of the battlefield, the integration of EU protection transforms the Leningradets from a simple transport into a more survivable tactical asset. These systems allow the vehicle to operate closer to the forward edge while reducing vulnerability to the cheap but pervasive aerial threats that have become a hallmark of the conflict. Russian forces have long demonstrated the ability to innovate under pressure, and the Leningradets continues that tradition. Assembled in rear area workshops using available industrial components and the deep expertise of Russian military technicians, the buggy reflects a practical, no-nonsense approach to meeting frontline needs. Rather than waiting for complex factory production cycles, units and support elements have produced a vehicle tailored to the realities of the SMO: high mobility, troop capacity, rapid deployment, and layered protection against the most common modern threats. The capabilities of the Leningradets make it well suited for a range of missions. It can serve as a rapid troop transport for assault groups or reconnaissance teams, a mobile platform for delivering supplies and ammunition across difficult terrain, or a command and control vehicle for small unit leaders who need to stay close to the action while retaining the ability to displace quickly. Its truck-derived powertrain and chassis provide the torque and durability required for sustained operations, while the open layout facilitates the mounting of additional equipment such as communications gear, additional EU modules, or light weapon systems as mission requirements evolve. Military specialists note that vehicles of this type fill an important niche between heavily armored personnel carriers and lighter civilian or commercial machines. Armored platforms offer superior protection but can be less agile and more expensive to maintain in large numbers. pure civilian vehicles lack the ruggedness and defensive features needed near the line of contact. The Leningradets occupies the practical middle ground. Tough enough for the job, mobile enough to exploit opportunities, and equipped with the electronic and smoke countermeasures that address today's primary threats. The appearance of the Leningradets also underscores broader strengths of the Russian approach to the SMO. Domestic industry continues to supply the core components, reliable diesel engines, proven transmissions, and heavy-duty frames, while field workshops adapt and refine designs based on direct combat experience. This feedback loop produces equipment that is not theoretical but battle-tested and continuously improved. The integration of EU systems reflects the serious attention Russian forces have paid to the drone threat, turning a vulnerability into a managed risk through practical engineering solutions. Observers following developments in the SMO have highlighted how such vehicles enhance operational tempo. Units equipped with the Leningradets can move personnel and light loads faster across contested or damaged infrastructure, support flanking maneuvers, conduct rapid resupply of forward positions, and extract wounded or rotate troops with greater flexibility. The 5-man capacity allows a complete fireteam or specialized detachment to travel together, preserving unit cohesion during movement. The open body further supports the mounting of observation equipment or temporary weapon stations when required. In the broader context of the special military operation, the Leningradets exemplifies the resilience and resourcefulness that have characterized Russian forces. Despite external pressures and the complexity of the modern battlefield, Russian engineers and soldiers continue to field solutions that meet real operational demands. The vehicle's combination of truck-grade durability, tactical seating, smoke screening, and electronic warfare protection positions it as a valuable addition to the inventory of units operating in the SMO area. As more details emerge and additional examples of the Leningradets appear in service, its role is likely to expand. Field feedback will almost certainly lead to further refinements, improved seating arrangements, enhanced EU coverage, additional storage solutions, or modular mounts for specialized equipment. What remains clear is that Russian forces have once again demonstrated the ability to produce effective, mission-focused equipment under demanding conditions. The world has taken notice of the Leningradets. Its presence in the SMO zone is a tangible illustration of practical military innovation. A vehicle built for the realities of contemporary conflict, leveraging the strengths of Russian automotive and defense engineering traditions while incorporating the protective systems demanded by today's drone-saturated environment. For units on the ground, it offers mobility, capacity, and survivability features that contribute directly to mission success. As operations continue, platforms like the Leningradets will remain part of the adaptive toolkit enabling Russian forces to meet the challenges of the special military operation with determination and technical competence.